Hey there, science fans. Today we're diving into the world of a truly illuminating element, phosphorus. Now, when I say illuminating, I mean it literally. White phosphorus, one form of this element, actually glows in the dark. How cool is that? But there's much more to phosphorus than just its glow-in-the-dark party trick. On the periodic table, phosphorus is represented by the symbol P and has the atomic number 15. Don't let that number fool you. Phosphorus is a non-metal, meaning it doesn't conduct electricity well. It comes in a few different forms called allotropes, with white, red and black being the most common. Each allotrope has its own unique characteristics. Remember how I mentioned white phosphorus glows? It's also super reactive and can even burst into flames if exposed to air. Red phosphorus, on the other hand, is much more stable and doesn't have that spontaneous combustion problem. Black phosphorus is the least reactive of the bunch and has some interesting electrical properties. But whether it's glowing, reacting, or just hanging out, phosphorus plays a crucial role in our world. And that, my friends, is what we're going to explore next. Hold on to your lab coats, everyone, because we're about to take a microscopic journey into your very own cells. That's right, phosphorus is essential for all living things. It's a key ingredient in some of the most important molecules in your body, starting with DNA. You know DNA, right? It's like the instruction manual for building and running you. Well, guess what? Phosphorus is a critical part of DNA's backbone, holding those genetic instructions together, and it doesn't stop there. Phosphorus also plays a vital role in RNA, which helps translate those DNA instructions into proteins. Proteins are the workhorses of your cells, doing everything from building tissues to fighting off infections. But wait, there's more. Remember ATP, the molecule that provides energy for all cellular processes? You guessed it. Phosphorus is a key component of ATP too. Without phosphorus, your cells wouldn't be able to do much of anything. It's like the battery that keeps everything running. So, next time you're feeling energized, give a shout out to phosphorus. It's working hard inside every cell in your body. Now that we've explored phosphorus's role in our bodies, let's zoom out and see how it impacts the world around us. One word: agriculture. Phosphorus is a rock star when it comes to helping plants grow big and strong. It's a crucial nutrient that helps with root development, flowering, and fruiting. That's why farmers often use fertilizers containing phosphorus to give their crops a boost. These fertilizers help ensure we have enough food to go around. But phosphorus's talents don't stop in the field. It's also a key ingredient in phosphoric acid, which is used in food processing and even in some beverages. Ever seen those flame retardant labels on furniture and clothing? You guessed it. Certain phosphorus compounds are used to make those materials less flammable, helping to keep us safe from fires. From the food we eat to the clothes we wear, phosphorus is woven into the fabric of our daily lives. We've seen how amazing phosphorus is, from its glow-in-the-dark abilities to its vital role in our bodies and the world around us. But like with all good things, we need to be mindful of how we use it. Remember how I mentioned farmers use phosphorus-containing fertilizers? Well, if too much phosphorus ends up in rivers and lakes, it can cause a big problem called eutrophication. Think of it like this. Too much phosphorus acts like a super fertilizer for algae in the water. The algae go wild, growing out of control and forming massive blooms. These blooms block sunlight from reaching other aquatic plants, and when the algae die and decompose, they use up all the oxygen in the water. This creates dead zones where fish and other aquatic life struggle to survive. So, how do we make sure we have enough phosphorus for agriculture and other uses without harming our environment? It's all about finding a sustainable balance. That means using phosphorus-containing fertilizers responsibly and exploring new ways to recycle and recover this valuable element. Remember, folks, phosphorus is a finite resource, and we need to be mindful of how we use it to ensure a healthy planet for generations to come.